Unlocking a Genius's Mind. The final chapter of Einstein, Albert Einstein, the man who redefined our understanding of the universe, spent his final years in Princeton, New Jersey. It was at the Institute for Advanced Study, free from academic pressures, that he embarked on what would be his last great quest, the unified field theory. Though he never achieved it, he found peace to dedicate himself completely to his work. After the death of his wife, his life focused even more on research. His view on death was as serene as his life, summed up in a simple phrase: "I have done my part, it is time to go." On April 18, 1955, at age 76, the genius's light went out at Princeton University Hospital due to an aneurysm. What followed was an act that would shock the scientific world. The pathologist, Dr. Thomas Stoltz Harvey, in an unprecedented act, and without the family's permission, removed and preserved Einstein's brain. He did it with one hope, that the organ could reveal the secret of his immense genius. Harvey dissected the brain into 240 fragments and kept them for decades. Years later, the brain was studied by researchers who found astonishing peculiarities. At McMaster University in Canada, a truncated lateral sulcus was found, an anomaly that could be linked to his remarkable capacity for spatial and mathematical thinking. Other studies revealed a significantly higher number of glial cells in certain areas, those cells that nourish and support neurons. The story of the stolen and studied brain became the myth of the anatomy of genius, a desperate search for a simple biological explanation for brilliance. However, Einstein's genius was not the result of a single anomaly. It was the combination of innate curiosity, unconventional thinking, tireless dedication, and his ability to challenge the status quo. His brilliance resided in how his brain functioned as a whole, not in an isolated peculiarity. The story of Einstein's brain teaches us a fundamental lesson. Human intelligence is a complex question with no easy answers. Einstein's genius was not stolen or dissected. It resides in the legacy of his thought that endures forever. Money